Let's be honest. Discipline feels painful, not because you're lazy, but because your brain is wired against it. What if I told you discipline can actually feel good, not forced, not painful, but automatic? And no, this is not motivation. This is brain rewiring. Why discipline feels hard. Your brain has one job: save energy, chase dopamine. Discipline does the opposite: effort now, reward later. So every time you try to be disciplined, your brain panics. It creates resistance, procrastination, sudden urges to do anything except the task. Here's the truth most people miss: you don't hate discipline. Your brain hates uncertain rewards. Fix that, and discipline stops feeling like punishment. The daily routine that changes everything. This is not a mindset. This is a 5-step daily system. Miss one day? No guilt, just restart. Because consistency rewires the brain. Intensity burns it out. Step 1. Win the first 10 minutes. How you start the day decides how disciplined you'll feel. So rule number 1, no thinking in the morning. Same wake-up time, same first action, every single day. Cold water on your face, light movement, sunlight. This tells your brain the day has started. No motivation required. And once the brain gets this signal, discipline becomes easier to access. But this is just the entry point. Step 2. Make discipline immediately rewarding. Your brain does not care about long-term goals. It cares about now. So we cheat the system. After every disciplined action, attach a small reward. Workout, favorite music. Deep work, coffee you only allow after. Morning routine, calm silence, or sunlight. This creates a dangerous association. Discipline equals pleasure. Do this daily, and your brain starts craving discipline the same way it craves scrolling. But rewards alone aren't enough. Step 3. Reduce pain, not standards. Most people fail discipline because they aim too big. 3 hours of study, perfect routine, extreme discipline. Your brain hears that and shuts down. Instead, start stupidly small. 5 minutes, 1 task, 1 rep. This creates momentum. Once started, the brain hates stopping more than continuing. Discipline isn't built by force. It's built by removing fear. And now comes the real shift. Step 4. Change identity, not behavior. Stop saying, I need discipline. Start saying, I'm someone who keeps promises to myself. Your brain protects identity. Once you act disciplined repeatedly, your brain works with you, not against you. You're no longer forcing discipline, you're being yourself. This is where discipline stops feeling external and starts feeling natural. But there's one final step that makes it automatic. Step 5. Remove decisions completely. Discipline dies in decision-making, so disciplined people don't decide. They automate. Same routine, same time, same order. No thinking, no debate. Less choices equals more discipline. This reduces mental load and preserves willpower. And one day, something strange happens. You wake up, you start working, and your brain says, wait, why does this feel good? That's the moment discipline turns into power. You stop chasing motivation. Motivation starts following you, because discipline was never about suffering. It was about training your brain to enjoy progress. And once that happens, consistency becomes automatic. If you're starting this routine today, comment discipline mode, not for motivation, but as a promise to yourself.